If you are looking to simplify complex data and make informed decisions, you came to the right place. In today's video, you will learn how to create and use pivot table to effectively summarize your data in Google Sheets. To create a pivot table, click anywhere in the sheet and then go to the Insert tab. From here, click Pivot Tables. Google Sheets will ask us if we want to insert the pivot table in a new sheet or an existing sheet. If you want to create the pivot table in the existing sheet, select Existing Sheet. However, in most cases, it is good practice to create your pivot table in separate new sheets. For that purpose, I will leave it as default and click Create. Now, which item do I want to see in the rows? Values and filters. Here, I want to know the total expense per client. For that purpose, in the row, I will drag the client name. In the values section, I will add the total. Now, for each of the clients, I have the specific amount or the total of the amount. If I want to know the amount for specific months, I can add the month's name to the filters. In addition, we can use the column section. I will remove this filter, and in the columns, I can add the month names. This will provide a breakdown of the expenses by month for each of the clients. This is how Pivot Table can help you summarize your data in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.